Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna prepare Dal Tadka. Let's get started. Take 1 cup tur dal, 1 by 3 masoor dal and 1 by 4 moong dal. Now wash this 2 to 3 times properly. Add water, little salt, turmeric powder, little ghee. Add a bay leaf, 2 clove and 3 cardamom. Then add ginger garlic paste and mix it properly. Now cook it for 5 whistles in high flame. Next, in a pan, add little oil, some ghee, jeera, little hing, 2 medium-sized chopped onions and fry them. Add 2 green chilies, a little ginger garlic paste and stir it well. Now add 2 tomatoes, little salt and stir it well. For 2 minutes cook the tomatoes properly like this. Later add turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and jeera powder. Mix it well. Add kasuri methi leaf and stir it well. Now take out the cooked dal and smash it properly and add it to the mixture. Mix it well. And cook it in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. For seasoning, add oil, mustard, jeera, 2 red chilies, curry leaves and little red chili for tadka. Now add this to the dal. Stir it well and cook it in medium flame only for 1 minute. At the end, add coriander leaf and dal tadka is ready. It's very tasty. Please do try it. Thank you.